Hi everybody, I'm Michelle Ramsey. I own Hogs and Heifers in New York City and in Las Vegas, and we are here today in Las Vegas, Nevada at Machine Gun Vegas. I've had a very stressful week, you see, and my dear friend Jim Freeman came to my house and he said, I have a question. All I need to know is if you want to shoot a machine gun on Monday. If you want to shoot a machine gun on Monday, just say yes or no. And, I was like, well, do I have to tell you today? I don't know. I have to sleep. Do I want to shoot a machine? Of course I want to shoot a machine gun on Monday. So here we are. We are now a machine gun shooting party. We have myself and 4 of the lovely ladies from Hogs and Heifers. And we're going to go get down and dirty and shoot some machine guns in stars and stripes, of course. So we will all be wearing stars and stripes and shooting machine guns today. I'm very excited.
So much hot steel, I don't know what to do with myself. That gun weighs like as much as you do.
There are people swimming and they're like right next to them. They don't even know.
Badass, yeah.
Fuck yeah.
I feel good. Oh my god, and it's heavy and I like it.
She's like, can I mount this to my helicopter?
Please? That would be awesome.
Holy cow.